4, 5. Salad.
Aura salad. Bye guys.
Yeah, thief. I got down in 4K.
Like what, baby?
So hey, in this video, I'm literally gonna be showing you guys and my guys how we literally are gonna power through a workout at home. I don't wanna hear no goddamn excuses from all of you guys. So let's lock in.
Yeah, you stay locked in, you stay clocked in.
I'm gonna start with 15 push-ups. Let's run it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 15. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me.
Oh, yeah, no.
Fuck. No, you're in the wrong. Fuck. The wrong setup. This is it.
I got down in 4K. Cool.
I did it.
And this clip has different multiple clips.
No, it's default codes. Upper chest gains, yeah? Let's run it. Incline push-ups, 2 sets. Let's lock in, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's rest. Alright, let's rest. I tell you now. Alright. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 seconds.
I don't think it's going
Alright, well, resting for 30 seconds. Resting for 30 seconds. I told you that you should have rested. Kiss or slap is what they used to do.
Smash your ass.
June.
One more set.
Yeah, great space.
Alright, let's go. 15.
15K. We did.
We're doing 10.
15. Let's go.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you're breathing. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Don't clutch. Let's go.
That is body one. Let's start again.
You guys are feeling the pump. Yes.
Like what, baby? Now, bon appetit. La mange.
One more. Go there. Oh!
Go! Vamos! Yeah, they say make you do pull up, make you no molest dog. What thing they do?
They are actually sick. I tell you.
Is that shit hard?
It's the grip. The grip, you feel it though. Let's go.
1, 2, ready, go.
Up. One more. Last one. You're not following his motion for this one.
Yeah, because I'm intrigued.
Don't manifest nonsense.
Let's go. Up. One more. Don't do that last one. Shit, bro. You gave up.
It's very uncomfortable. No, imagine it like boom.
Boys being boys. Look at you, man.
You guys got this part out. This is one hack, guys.
Splurge, boys. Splurge. Alright, these for shoulders, guys. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You don't do this last one. Look at the pump, boys. It's real.
That's about
After Effects.
You know what stuff? Ego!
The boys are still pushing.
That's
Something came on. Say it on camera. The pump is not the same.
It's not the same, guys. Don't listen to this guy and what he's telling you guys to do. Go to the gym. You fat shit.
What do you have to say, Asif? Let's go. Something. Let's go. One more for the culture. Let's go. One more for the culture. For the culture. Come on. 15 to 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this thing going? 5, 6, 7.
Go, guys! 3 more!
9, 10, 11.
Go.
Your legs will forever remain small. That's it.
Go, guys!
14,
15.
15, 16, 17, 18, last one, 19,
Not to gym like
last
that.
one, sorry, 20. After workouts, we're already prepping food.
What do you think when I record on Snapchat, right?
Kitchen is messy as hell, but the boys will devour.
When I put the chicken in,
You have to say Steve's dog for the camera, guys.
Nah, we don't need to
So this is how we say Steve's dog.
do no freaking.
So these are the sauces. I'm going to be handing over the sauces one by one. So this bitch, so
I look, you should actually even get the
this is soy sauce.
wait, sauce. The chicken is it that much though?
It's not sauce, it changes.
Nah, oyster sauce does actually change the taste.
Not too much.
I think you should have poured hot water inside that honey. No, put it inside,
you can pour hot water inside honey.
Like to make it more, or you can heat it up. You
Where
should.
the honey from?
Fresco. 11.
Do you know the good thing? The good thing is when I still come to Asif's house, I add value.
The man. Because if they help and cook, you see the chop half the food. Nah, value we add. How?
First of all, my frequency outweighs yours.
The man.
It does actually. I'm not even lying.
You got shaved to come to the gomi.
You need to add subtitles in the video.
Our chef in the making.
No needs. No niggy, baby. Additional shit there. Put the chicken inside. They try to do oral cooking.
Alright, salad.
Oral salad. Gosh. This guy the mad. Don't tell me to be. But this is not dry for this photo.
Men in the kitchen.
You're chefing up.
This is the reason why you should also get yourself a gym bro. Look at gym bros cooking, man. Certified. Wait.
What is it making sense?
You know they're very first process.
That was coming up, guys.
I think most of it is covered chef. The Onyx Bills. Makes sense, no? If you give me the name, which I will figure it bullshit. Onyx Bills. Makes sense. As if you get the best news, bills that business.
What is the fire trick?
It's not.
Waited.
So you want me to do the taste test?
This is a taste test. Let's go. What's he saying? What's he saying? That's our chef over there. Come on, that's our chef.
My legs are cooked. Shit.
The pump is quite similar. Do you mean the jumping squats?
Yeah.
You're a thief.
Bye, guys.
You're a thief. Made by a chef. Who's workout meal? Made by a chef. Who's workout meal?
Cooked. Why you didn't record?
Why don't I record it, bro?
I did jumping squats just in case.
That made it possible, guys. If you're a guy who actually finds it hard to actually train, you better lock in this summer and book a code with the link if you actually want to lock in.